Tonight, when your house becomes quiet, your body may do something it doesn't do during the day. Most people over 60 notice it, but almost no one talks about it. And once you understand it, you'll never ignore it again. If you're over 60, this video isn't here to scare you. It's here to help you understand something simple, something very human. Many older adults say, "I feel fine during the day, but at night, something feels different." Sometimes it's restlessness. Sometimes strange warmth, cold, or awareness of the body. This is not weakness. It's not failure. And it's not just aging. During the day, movement hides many changes. Walking, standing, distraction. But at night, when the body slows down, it finally speaks. Circulation changes. Nerves become more noticeable. Muscles release tension they held all day. That's why many people notice leg sensations, unusual awareness, mild discomfort, or simply not feeling the same as before. None of this means something is wrong. It means your body is communicating. Many seniors tell us something important. "I didn't tell anyone. I thought it was silly." So they stay quiet, and silence creates worry. Tonight's message is simple. Your body is not betraying you. It's adjusting. After 60, the body becomes more honest. It doesn't hide signals as well. It doesn't compensate as easily. This honesty is not a curse. It's an invitation. An invitation to slow down, to listen, to support the body gently. The people who feel best at night often share simple habits: gentle evening movement, consistent hydration earlier in the day, a calm routine before bed, and most importantly, not ignoring signals, nothing extreme, nothing dramatic, just attention. If you've noticed this happening, you are not alone. Millions experience it, and many feel relief the moment they realize this doesn't mean something bad. It means the body wants care, not fear. Tonight, when things feel quiet, don't push the feeling away. Acknowledge it, respect it. Your body has carried you for decades. Now it's asking for understanding, not judgment. And that is something worth listening to.